Imagine a world where machines can create unique, never-before-seen content. Can you envision a future where artificial intelligence generates new music, designs original graphics, or even writes compelling literature? This is not a distant dream, but a reality unfolding right now thanks to the power of generative AI. Diving into our first topic of the day, generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that leverages machine learning to produce new content. It works by understanding the underlying patterns in the data it's trained on, and then using that knowledge to generate new similar data. From creating realistic human faces that don't exist to writing poetry, generative AI is pushing the boundaries of what machines are capable of creating. Transitioning from the fascinating world of generative AI, let's delve into Amazon Bedrock. This is a foundational service offered by Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. Amazon Bedrock is designed to facilitate the development, deployment, and scaling of applications. It provides a secure and reliable platform where developers can unleash their creativity without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Next, we have Amazon Codewhisperer. This is another fantastic tool from the Amazon Web Services suite. Codewhisperer is a service that helps developers understand and manage their codebase. It uses machine learning to analyze your code, identify potential bugs, and even suggest improvements. Essentially, it's like having a personal assistant, but for your code. Now let's discuss Amazon Sagemaker. This is a fully managed service that allows data scientists and developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. With Sagemaker, you can focus on the fun part, creating models while it takes care of the tedious tasks like managing and scaling infrastructure. To wrap things up, generative AI is a powerful technology that's transforming how we create content. With tools like Amazon Bedrock, Codewhisperer, and Sagemaker, Amazon Web Services is making it easier than ever to develop and deploy applications powered by generative AI. Remember, the future of creativity is not just in our hands, but also in the algorithms of generative AI. It's about time we embrace this technology and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing with generative AI.